When should an organization really start thinking about lubrication as a key critical component towards their maintenance reliability program?
Right at the beginning. Your very own Ricky Smith recently posted a study in TMC, actually. 70 to 85% of failures are considered self-induced, right?
Yep.
So 40% of those are lubricated related. So we're talking 30 to 35% of all failures are lubricated related. If you isolate just bearings, right? Just one component of all these lubricated things, you're talking 60 to 80% of all bearing failures are lubricated related. So understanding the fundamentals of lubrication and lubrication management is totally key. Every maintenance organization should have a serious focus on lubrication, I would say, at any stage of the game.
These machines are turning, 24 hours a day. You definitely have to have that.